Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. This is a follow-up video to last week's video on LCX where I asked the question, should you buy now or wait for the dip? My least favorite question in all of crypto. We don't need to worry about that. I said in that video that I would get back to you. I would update you if anything changed, and something has changed in my analysis from that video. So we're going to go ahead and dive on into that. But before we do so, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And while I appreciate that so many of you are hopping in here from all over the place, you've got to hit the subscribe button. I'm making multiple videos a day. I've been going live every day. You don't want to miss out on a single thing in this rapidly evolving crypto space. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're here, turn on the notification button as well. Let's exit the slideshow and go to the LCX chart. I am on a 4-hour chart right now. I usually go to the daily chart, but I think the 4-hour chart is going to be more helpful in helping us understand where we are with LCX. Just to recap, I set a limit order at 34.5 cents. As you can see, to sell, excuse me. As you can see, that limit order filled. It was almost on the dot. I am not surprised at all that there was a rejection there. That is the 618 retrace from the bear market bottom to its previous all-time high. There's going to be resistance there. There's going to be resistance at the 66 retrace, the 702 retrace, just a little bit higher than where they are now. But here's the thing. Was I right? Am I patting myself on the back for all of that? There was something in that video that I was expecting to happen that did not happen. And so, okay, I kept the limit order open, but I was expecting it to go to a lower price than where I think it's going to go to right now. So here's what happened. This big run up that we saw here with LCX, I thought that was going to continue to 35 cents, 34.5 cents. It did not. And so after, my expectation was that it was going to continue to 34.5 cents and then that we would dump down to about 22 cents. But we didn't see that significant of a swing, which also caused us to have not as significant of a dip. So I know some of you bought in right around 25 cents or a little under 25 cents. Congratulations. That was a perfect place to buy. And so, okay, since we didn't go as high and we didn't go as low, in my opinion, 22 cents, I am not waiting for a 22 cent LCX to be buying right now. So we did have just a little bit of a chop this week on the 4-hour chart, just a chop in general. And then we finally went up to my $35 cent level, 34.5 cent level, that sell order did trigger. And so now I'm sitting here and I've been thinking like, okay, what am I waiting for? Definitely not waiting for 22 cents. But here's my thought. We are not going lower than this low right here. There is no reason for LCX right now on the 4-hour chart to put in a lower low than this bottom that we saw last week at a little under 25 cents. So what are we looking for in terms of a new entry? I'm not paying attention to this low because we didn't put in that higher high there. So this is all moot, but we did put in the higher high finally here. And so I am somewhere around this level right here. What I want to see is the moving averages. I think anything under 30 cents is a buy for LCX. I have not in my mind put in a specific price target as clear because of what I want to do is pay attention more so to the moving averages. Maybe this fib level here, maybe 28.41 cents. I don't think it's going to get that low. So in my opinion, I just really right now is a good time to buy at under 31 cents. Under 31 cents. We might get under 30. I'd be buying pretty aggressively under 30 cents. And so the reason why I'm thinking that is just looking at there's a lot of confluence when it comes to stochastic RSI on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, and on the 1-hour chart. So let's go to the 1-hour chart real quick. And you can see we're oversold on the 1-hour chart. You can see the 200 period moving average bounced off of that perfectly. That would have been a great time to buy. And then the 4-hour chart, same deal. Oversold on the 4-hour, the 50 period moving average on the 4-hour, which is exactly the same, now that I think about it, as the 200 period moving average on the 1-hour. Perfect time to buy. We worked right down to that level. On the daily chart, again, even though daily is kind of wonky right now, let me see that. Yeah, we are oversold on the stochastic, on the daily chart. So weekly chart, we're way overbought. But like looking at the confluence between these three right here, I would say now is a pretty good time to get in If you see it under 30 cents, so be it. I think that's a godsend under 30 cents. I've already, I'll be honest, I already rebought in. And so I'm happy, you know, I have a little bit more LCX than I did before. It's all good. I'm excited about that. So that is all I have for today, but I do want to remind you my LCX price target is $7.37, but I will be taking profits aggressively along the way. As we see LCX climb, I will not be selling and re-entering. I'm just going to exit and put it into different things, maybe a little bit into different cryptos. But if you know me, you watch my live streams especially, I've talked a lot about wanting to build up $500,000 in stocks that I'm selling covered calls on. That is another point, another comment for another day. Today we're talking about LCX, and you know, I'm happy with recent price action. I hope you are too. But that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week. If you got any value from this video, please smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment, all for the algorithm. Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Peace.